Hello everybody, welcome to Model Rockets 321. This is episode number 3, and today we will talk about the Apollo Little Joe 2, the Estes kit that came out a while ago, probably 2 years now. A very good kit. I mean, I like the Little Joe 2 a lot. It's one of my favorite rockets. It's probably my all-time favorite rocket. That and the Little Joe 1. Just the design, the look of it. I mean, it just says rocket. And here they even in this kit, they give you this literature all about the real one. I'm showing it under Total Destruction here. But yeah, just a great kit. A lot of history with it. Yeah, it's awesome. I like it a lot. So I already started this kit. This is a long journey. I started building it, and then it got put on the side because I do some other things, and I'm just now coming back to it thanks to this Model Rockets 321 channel. So now I'm forced to kind of finish it. So I have a primer on it. I'm still doing some primer, and I'm hit it with a little sandpaper. I think it's good. It feels okay. But yeah, it's mostly built. Got the rocket for the lattice structure here. Everything is looking good. It's all primer. It's probably hit it with another coat. Like I said, this is how I do my thing when I'll paint like that. And I can hold this. It's just my method, and I'll hang my parts separately. The bodies here, the main bodies, I'm going to hit it with another primer. The nozzles are complete. You have all these holes for all the nozzles. It's the engine hole, nice and protected, because you don't want paint to get inside the engine hole or the engine mount tube. But yeah, it's looking pretty good. It's a rough area here, but this will be covered with a decal as a wrap, which the decals are in there. But yeah, like I said, this is a great kit. They re-released this a few years ago. It's based on the old Century kit that is like legend. That thing is like the holy grail of rockets. And just to let you know, I actually had one before. I won one on eBay, spent a lot of money for it, and ended up not keeping it because I like to build stuff. If I had an additional one, I didn't really want it to just sit on the shelf. So I had it before, and somebody wanted it now. Somebody else has it. Pretty sure it's probably still in the package. Maybe, I don't know. That was years ago. But this is on the decal, one of the decals. That'll be the wrap right there, as you can see. And they it's just a great kit. I like it. I like what they did. I made it. It's a skill level. Is it skill level 5? Yeah. No, skill level 4. Skill level 4 kit. Pretty difficult build if you haven't built rockets. So, but yeah, it's pretty cool. Runs on I think it's what engine does this thing take? It's a E34 engine. E34 is the motor mount. So that's a 24mm engine. Estes make those. And I believe you could probably run a nice Aerotech reload in there. Probably get you a nice flight also. So I'm looking forward to finishing this. Here soon. I'll keep you updated with the progress on it. But here are some of the parts. This will fit in there. I'll get it all together here real soon. Just a couple more coats of primer, and I'm gonna start putting it together and finishing it up. I'm going to bring it home. Oh, what else do I have here? Oh, back here. It comes with nose weight. Yeah, it comes with nose weight. I think for you get your center of gravity right. Yeah, they recommend you're going to pack this nose weight, which is like a clay material, up inside the cone. The nose weight will go up in here. This is hollow, so you can get this nose weight in there to get your center of gravity right. These are the nozzles. These are already painted. I have these nozzles here. They're already painted, like accurately detailed or whatever. Yeah. These are the actuators, I believe. Yeah, these go on the side. You can see that's like final stages. So these are all built. All these parts are ready to be installed. They're all painted and ready, but I'm going to have to, those are later. So yeah, just wanted to show you this for this episode. The Estes Little Joe 2's 1/45 scale. A pretty nice kit. There's the decal. Yeah, more decals. So yeah, it's really detailed. They did a good job. Like Estes has been putting out a lot of good rockets these past few years. It's been great. I remember a time period where I was looking at the kits and I was like, I don't really like any of these. But now they're putting out a lot of scale. They're putting out a lot of classics, even a lot of the new designs. And that's the thing. The designs have gotten really good at Estes. So keep up the good job, Estes. And I'll keep supporting. And get yourself a Little Joe 2. Get 2 of them. Build one to fly and have one just to save. Because when they go out of production, who knows what the value on these things will do. But that's the video for today. Like, share, and subscribe if you like my content. Leave comments below. I'm open for suggestions on videos. I want to bring some reviews. I want to do some more unboxings, and any new kit I get I want to show you. And I'll give you my opinion on it. You can share your opinion, and we'll take it from there. Alright, you guys, take it easy. This is Hobby Devices. Like, share, subscribe, and ring the bell. Have a good day.